पता।
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yes, who was left? Is Hanishi there? No. Sarah is there. Sarah, open your mic. Tell us about your family quickly by the time children are joining in. Okay, Aran, speak. Sarah is too much busy. She does not want to pay attention to what I say. Yes. Arhan, speak.
I have got 4 members.
What kind of family do you have?
Papa, my brother, and me.
So what kind of family is that?
Small.
Yes, I wanted to hear this. Small family. Correct. Very good. Okay, Sarah, will you speak now? Or you're too much busy doing something else? Sarah, open your mic, dear. क्या कर रहे हो आप?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कर रहे थे आप? Show me what were you doing? आप मुझे सुन पा रहे थे? ये क्या है? टेप है? टेप है? क्या है? Mic on.
eraser.
Your eraser, you're playing with your eraser. Everybody loves to play with the eraser, na? Huh? You are scratching the eraser. God, how dirty it is looking now. Don't dirty it. It's such a nice thing. It helps you clean your work, neaten your work, erases your dirty pencil marks or any incorrect word, isn't it? So sit straight. Yes. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yes. Now keep it aside. Okay. Now listen to me carefully. What type of family you have, Sarah? Open your mic. Open your mic.
Small family.
Very good. Who all are there in your family?
My mother, my father, my brother, big brother, and me.
Very good. Excellent. So I wanted to hear this from you. You were not listening to me. You said it so nicely. You said it wonderfully. Thank you, Sarah. Okay, good girl.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Now, Nishant, your camera is not visible. It's not open, I believe. Okay, who was left? Please raise your hand. Who was left? Who was left? Vihan was left. Yes. Vihan is left. Hanishi is not seen. Nishant is left. Yes. So who is going to speak? Nishant is ready, I believe. Nishant, speak. And I'm sharing the screen with you all. Rest of you can start writing. Okay. Nishant, wait a second. Huh? Let everybody see the screen. And by the time I will listen to you. All right. So this is the first page. Yes. All right, Nishant, you can quickly speak and then start writing. Rest of you, please open your EVS copy and start writing. Put the date. Put today's date. Yes. Tell us what kind of family you have.
I live in large family.
Large family. Very good. Who all are there?
In Indore, I live in a small family. In village, I live in a large family.
Okay, okay. But most of the time where you live? Most of the time? Most of the time you live in?
Indore.
Indore. So that means you have a small
Indore.
family. Yes. Okay.
Small family.
Now answer.
My mother and father and me.
Good. Yes. Correct. Absolutely correct. Thank you so much, Nishant. You can now start writing. Hanishi, now you can speak.
I live in large family. There are 11 members in my family. Grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin sisters, my mother and my father, and all I am also me
And me. And me.
and Bua.
Bua, what is Bua?
बुआ को क्या बोलते हैं?
Auntie बोलते हैं बेटा. ठीक है?
Auntie.
Yes, yes. Aunt or auntie. Okay. Right. So that means you're not living in a large family, you're living in a joint family. This is called a joint family. Okay.
Joint family.
Yes. Large family is only where your grandparents, your parents, and your brothers and sisters is there. That's it. And joint family means your grandparents are there, your uncle and aunts are there, your cousins are there, your parents are there, and you and your brother and sister are there. Okay. That is called a joint family. So you are having a joint family. Good. Okay. Thank you, Hanishi. Is anybody else left who wants to speak? Okay. So now you will start writing. You will start writing. Right. Acha, Gitanshi raised her hand. Okay. Yes, Gitanshi, you can speak. मम्मा क्यों बोलेंगे? मम्मा क्लास कर रही हैं थोड़ी ना. मम्मा फिर भाग जाएंगी.
I living large family.
Okay.
1, 2.
Numbers नहीं count करना है.
Dadu, Dadi.
What is Dadu? Who's Dadu? Don't look at Mama. Don't look at Mama. I already explained you. You have to remember what is Dadu.
Grandmother. Ma'am, grandmother.
Very good. Father.
Grandfather.
Yes.
Mother.
Father.
Yeah.
Father.
Me and Suhavi.
And
सुहावी मेरी बहन.
मेरी बहन नहीं होता है. My younger sister.
मेरी sister.
My younger sister. Say. Speak.
My
Younger sister.
younger sister.
She is also saying by herself. Thup, thup, thup. Okay, good. Now start writing. What is, you can see the screen in front of you. Can you see the screen? Hitanshi, can you see the screen?
Okay.
Yes.
Show your thumb.
Okay. Start writing. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, Parv, speak.
I
Parv, bolo.
13 members. My family.
13
Mother,
members,
father,
okay.
and me.
So what type of family is this?
Grandmother, grandfather, and children.
No.
Uncle aunt.
Correct.
Uncle aunt.
Cousins
Cousins.
and me.
Sister.
Done?
Yes.
Good. But you will not say chacha chachi. Chacha chachi, mama mami in English called uncle and aunt. Chacha chachi is paternal uncle and aunt, and mama mami is maternal uncle and aunt. Okay, I will explain you it in the DCS period. Okay, in the third period. Now mic off. Where is your copy? Parv? Where is your English copy? Sorry, EVS copy? Yes, start writing quickly. The first heading you will write 2 in the side, in the margin line, then you will write true or false. Then you will write this, true or false, and then you will start writing 1. I live with my family. I live with my family in my house. True or false? So definitely this is, sorry, I live with my friends in my house. So do you live with your friends in your house? Are your friends there in your house? No, your family is there in your house. So the first one is false. You will write F for false in the bracket. You will write F for false. False means galat. Okay? And true means sahi. So you will write what? You will make a bracket like this and you will write F. Okay? F for false. Yes, Anaya, what do you want to ask?
ये friends in my house लिखना है.
हाँ, मैं तो बोल रही हूँ. And why are you asking me in Hindi? You should ask me in English. Ma'am, we have to write this. Yes, you have to write this. Hands down and start writing. First one, I live with my friends in my house. Is this sentence correct or wrong? This is wrong. So this is wrong. So you will write F for false. F means false means wrong and true means correct. Okay. So true means correct and F means false. Now understood? Second is, we should not share work at home. You should not share work. Let everything mama do. Let everything papa do. You will not do anything at home. Is this correct? No, this is not correct. We should share work at home. We should help mama in kitchen. We should help daddy when he brings things from outside. Help him carry things. Okay? And we should help keep our rooms clean, do our homework on time, go to play at time. Correct? RV is talking. Right fast. And we should share each other's and help each other, right? We should not share work at home. This sentence is also wrong. So you will write F for false. Mother and father together are called parents. Yes, this sentence is correct. Mother and father are called your parents. So this is correct. So you will write T. T for true. T for true. Okay. And fourth and last sentence is, our parents love and take care of us. Isn't that true? Yes, that is also true. Your parents love and they take special care of you all the time. You and your brother and sisters, right? So this sentence is also correct. So you will write a T in the bracket for true. I hope this makes sense. And this is the last sentence. So you can quickly write all the answers, all the sentence, and then we will do the next page classwork. That is the question answers. I will explain it to you all. If you're not able to complete here, you will complete it and then send it to me. Quickly write it, fast writing, so that you can do the next page. There is a second page also to do your work. Arvi, do fast. Trisha, write fast. Sara, write fast. Naisha, write fast. Hanishi, don't sit up on your copy. Go behind. Ritisha, write fast. Are you writing? You're not writing.
ये लिखना है, राइटिंग करना है क्या?
हाँ रितिशा, बहुत पहले बोला मैंने कॉपी निकाल के लिखने के लिए. आप क्या कर रहे थे? बहुत पहले बोला मैंने. जल्दी से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए क्योंकि टाइम अप हो जाएगा, फिर आप नहीं लिख पाओगे. सेकंड क्वेश्चन आंसर भी लिखना है. मैंने तो पहले ही बोला कि सब लोग अपनी नोटबुक निकालिए, लिखना स्टार्ट करिए. ओ माय गॉड, इट्स टू लेट. रितिशा प्लीज पे अटेंशन माय डियर. आई एम सेइंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन. मैं हिंदी में नहीं बोलूंगी, ये याद रखिए प्लीज. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड फॉलो मी इन इंग्लिश. Inaya, please ask your mother to put the camera a little down. I cannot see you properly. Ask your mother to put the camera down. नीचे करिए थोड़ा कैमरा फोन का, और नीचे करो. Yes, now sit and work. Yes. Call your mother. Call your mother. She will help you. You write. You complete your work fast.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, done. So write in the next page. You can write question answers. I will share the page. Okay, just wait. Revise till that time. Read the sentence. हाँ तो लिखिए ना, जैसे लिखिए.
Okay, ma'am.
If you have done, rest of you, if you have done, please read the sentences. Read it. Yes, Par, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
Ma'am, may I take a bio break? Say that. Say. Where are you? Go. Write, and after writing, read your sentences. Trisha, write fast. Naisha, write fast, quickly. Then at last, when I will start changing the page, then you will say, I have not written, I have not done my work. Do it fast, please. Angel, don't eat the pencil, please. Pencil out from your mouth.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, actually, my mother and father and together are ये E लिखना है ना ये
Called are called. C-A-L-L-E-D. That is C. Okay. Called. Yes, Chavi.
Ma'am, I don't see last question.
Last, our parents love and take care of us. Can you see this?
Yes.
This
Ma'am,
is the last.
I have done.
Good, Sarah. This is the last sentence. And if you all have done, I will change the page in another 3 minutes. I will change the page in 3 minutes. You have last 3 minutes. Sarah, close your copy. Mute your mic.
Okay, ma'am, I have done.
Please don't say I have done, I have done. If you have done, it's good. Please wait. I will change the page in 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes. Aryan, last 3 minutes. Naisha, Trisha, those who have not completed, last 3 minutes. I will change the page. I said, don't say I have done. Last 1 minute, I am waiting for the children who have not completed. Ritisha is still writing. Okay, I'm changing the page now. I'm changing the page now. Can you see this page? Children, can you see this page? Question answers. Okay, now this is the second page. This is the second page. Start writing this in the next page. Open your next page and start writing this in your next page. And we have only 2 questions. Okay, so write number 3 in the next page, new page. Ritisha, in the new page, you have to write this in the new page. Okay, write question, answer, then write question number 1. Question number 1 is, what is a family? Answer, a family has mother, father, and children. Okay, this is a family. Then the second question is, name 2 types of family. Here 2 types of family are asked. Okay. So the answer will be small family and large family. Check the spelling and write it properly and neatly. Aryan, write your work neatly and start sending your work to me. Start sending your work to me. Okay, so we have only last 10 minutes left. In fact, 9 minutes left. So you have very less time left. If you can complete it in the 9 minutes, it's very good. Otherwise, this sheet will come in the school diary app also. But this is a class work. You should try complete in this period only. In the school diary app, you will get a homework also. Please complete this fast as you can. Don't worry, but try to write properly and finish your work. I know you all can do it. You all are good writers, very good writers. Read and write. Read the question, then write the question, then read the answer and write the answer. So this is how you will remember what you write, and your spelling will be also correct. Read the question. What is a family? Question mark. And then start writing it. Then read aloud. Gitanshi, what are you doing with your copy, book and phone? Then answer, read aloud. A family has mother, father, and children. Full stop. So like this, you will read aloud and write. Then leave one line and then properly write the question number 2. Name the 2 types of family. Then answer, small family and large family. So you will read aloud. Vihan, yes, he is writing. Very good. Do your work, yes. Vihan and Aryan, please start sending your homework. Parv, please start sending your homework.
Ma'am, I no completed.
I said that send your homeworks, okay?
No completed time, ma'am. What time send it?
Okay, but try to complete your work and send it to me, okay?
Ma'am, screen.
Which one? This one, question answers?
Screen is.
Sorry?
Ma'am, screen is where is it?
Sorry?
मैम
हाँ
स्क्रीन कहाँ है?
स्क्रीन कहाँ है? स्क्रीन आपके सामने है. आपने पेज चेंज कर दिया क्या फोन का?
मैम मुझे तो ब्लैक दिख रहा है सामने.
ओहो, एक सेकेंड. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
One number.
Mute yourself, पर.
W. Ma'am, I have done.
Good, then start submitting, beta. Don't say I have done. If you have done, please start sharing it to me. Write EVS classwork, today's date, and start sending it to me. Don't say done, done. You all know what you have to do. Good, Nishant.
Ma'am, I have completed my mother's shall read.
Who's this?
I'm Parv.
Par. You have a phone with you?
मैम मेरी मम्मा ने कहा है वो अभी थोड़ी देर से सेंड कर देंगे आपको होमवर्क.
Fine, fine. I understood that. Apne, whatever you said in English, I understood that. But I have been trying to tell you that you should also start learning, and writing should be neat. Your writing, you have to improve your handwriting, Parv. Okay? Gitanshi, have you finished your work? You're playing. You're not writing, your mother is writing. Gitanshi? This is very wrong. Very wrong. I'm closing this because the time is up now. Last 1 minute is left. Now we will meet in the last third period. Gitanshi, I will not encourage this. You have to write your work yourself. You have to do your own work. This is not correct. जितना भी आप लिख पाओ आप लिखिए, खुद से लिखिए. कोशिश करिए जितना भी कर पाने की खुद से, क्योंकि धीमे धीमे आप लिखते रहेंगे.
कैपिटल
हाँ,
कैपिटल क्यू कैसे लिखते हैं?
कैपिटल क्यू लिखते हैं. कैपिटल क्यू लिखते हैं ऐसे. अभी टाइम अप हो रहा है बेटा. ये है कैपिटल क्यू. ठीक है? We'll meet in the next period now. We'll meet in the next period, third period. Take your bio break. Bye.